Um, let's talk about downloads first. I'm going to skip around a little bit, but downloads, if you click on this, it'll bring you to this page, and there's this section down below for Postfire. And right now we have one. This one Postfire all will give you a spreadsheet of everything that's in the system for Postfire. And it's not pretty. It's not like formatted and such, but it gives you all the information you need to do. If you come in here and you work through, like, say, filter, you can always you can do whatever you want to manipulate this data. You can do your pivot tables. You can narrow it down so that I'm just looking at BIA. So here's the BIA ones for here. So that's how you get everything in the system. Now you have to understand that this little guy right here at the top of the screen says the download files on this page are generated at midnight Alaska time each day. So this data won't reflect anything that you've done today. It's going to be yesterday's data. So that's important difference between the download here. And if you go back in here, this map actions export selected data report looks the same. However, if I had my filter on, I was just looking at BIA things, this one would reflect and download everything that was today. Does that make sense? I think I'm gonna stop there for